Hello everyone, my name is Andi Wardana. I'm originally from Probolinggo. My position in Bandung is now for upskilling at Simioki Tab in Science. This time, I will present the classification, comparison, and difference about the operating system. Windows is an operating system created by Microsoft, where this operating system provides a graphical interface, aka GUI, graphical user interface, to make it easier to operate. With Windows, user no longer need to type command through the command line like in MS-DOS. Simply by using the mouse or keyboard, user can give command to open menus, dialog box, run application, delete files, and so on. Understanding Linux is an operating system that use the Linux kernel. The kernel itself is the smallest part of the operating system whose job is to manage CPU, memory, and other additional devices. Linux is an open source OS, which means that Linux source code can be used, modified, and distributed freely by anyone. Linux license under the auspice of GNU are also free. We don't need to pay any money if you want to use them. This is different from the paid Windows OS because to legal use the Windows operating system, it costs almost 2 million per year. That does not include the use of Microsoft Office and other applications such as with Photoshop, Corel, etc. Because the code is open source, many developers have developed this OS so that various kinds of Linux distros are created, such as Ubuntu Linux, Linux Mint, Red Hat, etc. As Linux distribution has different characteristics ranging from appearance, complexity of use to its intended use. Is it, for example, for programming, hacking, web security, server, or to run general application every day? It turned out that Linux and Windows not only have many differences, but it turns out that there are also some similarities as below. One, copy one more file from one location to another specific location. Windows command copy and Linux command cp. Two, create a directory. Windows command mkdir. Linux command mkdir. Change to active directory to another directory specified in the parameter. Windows command cd, Linux command cd. Delete the directory. Windows command rmdir, Linux command rmdir. Exit dash or terminal. Windows command exit, Linux command exit. Move file from one directory to another. Windows command mv, Linux command mv. Windows only can have one distribution, namely Microsoft. Meanwhile, Linux now many distros, which are a collection of Linux kernel. More fully, there are some key differences that stand out from the Windows and Linux operating system. One, Linux will run faster than the last edition of Windows, even with modern desktop environment and operating system features. Whereas Windows is slow on older hardware. Two, Linux distribution do not collect user data, whereas Windows collect all user details, which leads to privacy issues. Three, Linux is more reliable than Windows because in Linux user can kill application if they rely on X kill command. Whereas in Windows user needs to try several times to kill them. Linux support a wide variety of free software besides Windows, but Windows has a large collection of video game software. 5. In Linux, the software cost is almost free because all program, utilities, complex applications like OpenOffice are free, but Windows also has many free programs and utilities, but most the program are commercial. 6. Linux is claimed to be a free safe because it's easy to identify bugs and fix, while Windows has a large user base and is a target for virus and malware developers. 7. Linux is used by corporate organizations as a server and operating system for security purposes on Google, Facebook, Twitter, and others. while Windows is most often used by gamers and business users. Well, maybe that's all my presentation about Rishi. Always healthy and see you. Goodbye.